What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. My name is Brian Noonan. Over the past year, I've been fortunate enough to create a multiple six-figure Amazon FBA annual business, being able to launch 9 successful FBA products and register 2 brands. I would have never imagined going back a year ago or even 2 years ago, stuck in a dead-end 9-to-5 job, hospitality job I hated, on my feet all day, working till 2 in the morning, dealing with drunk people as a server, bartender, banquet manager, had a bad drug addiction 5 years ago, all the way fast forward till now. Been able to overcome all of that, create a successful multiple six-figure online business, 2 of them, and be able to live my best life and dream life and wake up every day motivated with a vision and purpose. And I want to help you do the same. In today's video, I want to go over my Amazon for All course, training course, a little history on why I made the course, what's included with the course, and why it's better than all the others. So first of all, when I first started looking into Amazon, there was a lot of options out there and too many experts and too many courses that all you got was you paid all this money for a course and that's all you heard from the creator. And when you had a question or needed help, you couldn't even get a hold of the teacher. They take on tens of thousands of students. There's no one-on-one help. There's no access to them. You're lucky if you get one message maybe from them. They're just off doing other things. And so when I started my Amazon FBA business, I did try to do it on my own. And I launched my first product on my own. I did make all my money back, but the product took too long to sell. I wish it would have sold faster. And that's why I decided to invest in a course for my second product ongoing. And it changed the game for me. My second product, third product, fourth product took off. I still sell those products today. My third and fourth product make the majority of my income. I've shown videos in the past on my channel of what that first product was, exactly how it did, and what I wish I would have done different with it. I've also shared multiple tips about starting successful Amazon businesses. I haven't done an official Amazon FBA launch on my YouTube channel, and I want to take just a deep dive into the Amazon for All course, let you see inside of it and how well it's organized and what it comes with. So like I said, going back, I saw too many experts out there trying to just sell you this expensive course and there was no help at all. You just got the course and you're on your own to watch the videos and hopefully make the right decisions. It's crazy to think that's exactly what they're doing, and there's multiple experts out there that are like that. My course is different in that the past 6 months I've been doing and training students. I've worked with over 50 students one-on-one, creating successful Amazon FBA businesses. I'll share here in just a minute a screenshot of one of my students who yesterday just had a $809 day in sales. He sold 27 units. I'm so proud of him, and I can help you do the same. So with this Amazon for All course, not only do you get 12 hours of premium video content, over 100 in-depth lessons, but I'm there with you one-on-one to help guide you to make the best possible business decisions. We get on Skype and Zoom video calls together. We can go over your product and make sure your product checks and make sure the product you're choosing is a good niche or category to get into. We can look at the competition. I can teach you and you'll learn how to find the best, highest quality suppliers for your product, how to brand and market your product really well so you stand out and innovate on the product and differentiate yourself. It goes over all this, and also I help you create the listing so that the listing is set up to sell and it speaks to your target market and your customer, which is so important. Too often I see students and people try to make a listing just like everyone else's, and they don't put much imagination or creativity into it. You want your listing to stand out, especially your images and your first image, to grab the customer's attention so that they choose yours and click on yours, and not all the other hundreds or not thousands of other options. So we're going to jump into my computer here in just a minute and go over the Amazon for All course, the price, what you get with it, the one-on-one mentorship, how that works. Before I do that, you know, YouTube, how the YouTube algorithm works is likes, views, and subscribers. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do that. Please hit the thumbs up button if you haven't done so already. And of course, hopefully by the end of the video, you get lots and tons of value. And leave me a comment down below because I'll be choosing one lucky winner for a free giveaway, either an Amazon gift card or a one-on-one call with me. Let's jump into my computer right now and go over that course. All right, welcome inside my computer. So first of all, I just want to go back to the fact that, most courses out there, what's the difference between a $10 course and a $1,000 course? And the answer is the information. And I believe that, the information and online learning is not going anywhere. And I believe it's one of the best and fastest ways to learn. So you can either, go into debt and go to college, spend 4 years and $40,000 and go into debt and hopefully get, a job. Or you can invest in yourself and make yourself more valuable and create wealth and income for yourself by investing in yourself and gaining the skills and knowledge needed to start a successful online business. Because once you make yourself more valuable, you become more valuable to the market. So if you are having trouble focusing or dedicating enough time or just going all in on your Amazon business, I want you to just try to focus on learning nothing else for the next 3 months but Amazon. Finding the best products, contacting suppliers, innovating and differentiating yourself in the market, understanding who your target customer is. All of those things will set you apart if you really just narrow your focus down from, social media marketing and digital agency and Shopify and Facebook marketing. And, all of this, just go down and focus on one category like Amazon, which is a proven business model. And if you just focus your time and attention on learning that, you will be successful. I promise you will. As long as you just have enough dedication and patience, this is a real business and it will work for you. So the Amazon for All course is a great course because it's packaged all my information I've gathered over 2 years. I've invested in multiple $1,000 courses, so I have the information. But more importantly, I've invested my own money, and I don't take money lightly. Money, economics, we're reminded of economics every day. We live on an economic planet. It costs money to do things. It costs money for bills. It costs money to live. And so the Amazon for All course will help you learn the knowledge needed to make passive income and make consistent income every month. So let's go into the Amazon for All course. Let me show you how it's laid out. So more importantly, what you get with the Amazon for All course and how it's different from other courses. The whole reason I made the course was because I saw how many courses out there were $1,000 and they said that they came with unlimited one-on-one mentorship. But really, all you got was a Facebook group to ask questions in with people who may have launched a product, may not have. They're in the beginning stages just like you. So I said, I'm going to do this differently. I'm going to offer unlimited mentorship. I'm going to be right there with you. I'm not going to accept tens of hundreds or thousands of students. I'm going to limit it to 10 to 15 students per month, work one-on-one with them to achieving success and to starting a profitable Amazon business, because it does take dedication and you need the right information, and that's what you get with the Amazon for All program. You're able to watch the videos on your own time. Whether you have a job or you are a stay-at-home mom, whatever it is, you're able to watch these videos on your own time. So you can come in, before work, you can come into the program after work. And then more importantly, you get that unlimited mentorship. So you can message me throughout the day multiple times if needed, because I can answer all your questions. We also will get on Skype, Zoom video calls together to go over anything you're struggling with. That comes along with the program as well. So let's go in and just take a preview of what the course looks like. So Amazon for All, and the reason I named it Amazon for All is because truly Amazon is a level playing field. If you're willing to invest the time and do the work, anyone can get into Amazon, sell on Amazon, and be a successful Amazon FBA seller and have a successful business. Let's go in here and just take a little preview of the course layout. So the first, it's spaced out by modules. So there's different modules. And let's go to curriculum. And the link for this course will be down below in the video description. I believe it's going to be the very first link, Amazon for All, with my one-on-one unlimited mentorship. It's go into here and view the first module. So it's broken down into basically 12 modules. So the first module is Welcome to the Course. All right, here we go. Let's open it up like this. First module is Welcome to the Course. Join the Amazon Facebook group. The potential Amazon has to change your life. Most common Amazon FBA questions that I see a lot over and over, they're answered right off the bat. Like, is this business for real? Can I really make money the first or second month? How much money do I need to get started with Amazon? the obstacles I faced and how I started and overcame those obstacles, such as doubt and fear and family members not supporting you. Intro to the Amazon FBA business models. There's not only Amazon FBA, there's also FBM, fulfillment by merchant. There's a wholesale business model, and there's retail arbitrage. So I explained the difference between those three. Setting up your business properly, an LLC registration, a bank account, is that necessary? Business insurance, is that necessary? Software and tools you're going to need with discounts, by the way. You get discounts with these softwares that I have. Why most sellers fail, so really powerful lesson there. Seller account overview, inside your Amazon seller account overview, the buy box, common beginner questions once you set up the account and maybe start product research. And then I have a whole module here, module number 3, which is my favorite module, one of my favorite modules. Look, there's like 10 or 12 to 15 lessons on different product research methods, because I know how much people struggle with product research. It's one of the hardest things. It was very hard for me in the beginning. And so this breaks it down into all the different methods. And then once you potentially find a good product, that's kind of the easy part. Finding a product or a product that looks good. What do you do next? And I break it all down here. We talk about different ways to innovate. What's going to be your USP, your unique selling position, how to check for patents, what you do after you find a product, review groups. Can you use them? Can you use them for product research? The 999 cart trick method, and then suppliers, how to find the best suppliers, tariffs, samples, ordering and buying the product, supplier red flags to look out for, shipping the product to Amazon, creating the listing, creating amazing logo and packaging for your business and brand, optimizing the listing with Magnet and Cerebro, creating bundles and variations and doing your pictures right. Module 8, shipping the product to Amazon, shipping plan intro, shipping plan step by step, and then shipping terms to be aware of and how to save money on shipping from your supplier, notifications from Amazon and how to deal with returns, what to be aware of as far as messages from Amazon, what you need to be worried about or not worried about, contacting Seller Central. And then module 10 is launch, another really good module here. Goes over all the different launch methods to get reviews and rank and optimize your listing and start getting those initial sales and reviews coming in. PPC manual, PPC broad phrase, PPC ASIN targeting, search, find, buy, super URLs, advanced PPC campaigns, optimizing PPC analyzing PPC reports, optimizing PPC campaigns. Module 11, account health maintenance and maintaining your business, such as accounting tools, Helium 10 tools, business and account tips and health, hijackers, how to deal with hijackers and prevent them, 8 ways to increase your sales. This is a really good lesson. This one I could sell just on its own. Advanced business tips, 8 ways to increase sales, liquidating inventory in case you need to do that. Hopefully you never will. Module 12, advanced business tips and strategies, account settings, PPC payments, shipping to different warehouses, advanced business tips, the IP accelerator program, module 12, advanced ManyChat flows and Facebook ads, module 12, conclusion, and then bonus content down here. There's there's like 10 Skype video calls where you will see me one-on-one helping somebody, one of my students, one-on-one on Skype video calls, walking him through finding a product, setting up his business, all the way till launching his product. In these Skype video calls, you get to watch over my shoulder as I teach somebody just like you going through this process one-on-one. And then resources, a lot of amazing resources in here, a product checklist, excluded keywords, a flow chart, bad products list to avoid, potential good products that you could go into. There's like 15 product ideas in there, and I update this every month. Amazon fees, restricted categories, Alibaba template, entrepreneur books, who I use for my logo, custom box packaging design, and review insert cards, collecting email addresses, a follow-up sequence, examples of good innovations and bundles, what your purchase orders need to look like and say from your supplier, tariffs and import fees, how to avoid those, and how to get approval and ungated in certain categories. International students outside of the U.S., maybe you live in Australia or the United Kingdom, how to set up your business properly that way, product bullet points, trademark research, how to write a product description that sells, estimated monthly sales and profit tracking, how many units should you order for your first order and for the first month, and then using ManyChat Messenger bot with a QR code, and adding video to your listing requiring brand registry. All of these are included. All of these resources and information is included within this program. I can't urge you more than to look into this. Click on the link below and just go through and read what you get with this. What's the difference between a $10 course you can buy somewhere else and a $1,000 course? A lot of the times, you will get a lot of outdated information on those $10 courses that were made years ago, and potentially lose you a lot of money. I'm not saying that everybody that goes into my program makes $10,000. That's not what I'm saying at all. But I'm having a very high success rate with my students who are just willing to put in 30 minutes to an hour a day before or after work, or catch up on the weekend, are willing to do the work, pay attention to their numbers, the profit calculations, choose a good product, and innovate well. You will make money and you will be successful with this business. So I hope you guys got a lot of value out of today's video. Thank you for watching all the way through, and I'll see you inside the next video.